All right, so today we are starting at the beginning. Um, Using the blog instructions, I'm going to go through it step by step. So, number one, search Google for keyword. Let's use the keyword business development objectives and business development objectives. And we've searched it. Obviously, not a hard step, but the first step. Make a list of people also asked, usually at the top of the page, and the related searches at the bottom of the page, which we will be using to include people also ask. Okay, so what I will do is open up a new blank document just so I can have all of this on hand, and I am going to copy and paste, because these are topics that I'm probably going to include in the article because they are related. And I'm going to go down to the bottom, and search is related to business development objectives. I'm going to copy that as well, and then also paste. Now that I have done that, what I'm going to do is move on to the next step, which is analyze the top 10 competitors for length and use average word count of the top 10 as target blog length. Okay, so this is something you're going to do 10 times, but I'll show you how to do the first one. So I'm looking at business development, the basics. This is the first competitor. He's the person who came up as number one. Let me go ahead. Did I get this? I did not. All right. So they came up as number one, and we are going to assess them for length. So this is going to be nice length article. I noticed that it doesn't really have too many images. Might not be too hard to outrank him for that. Okay, so then what I'm going to do, I have an actual plugin, but what you can do is, what you can do if you don't have what I'm about to do is something like this. What you can do is open another blank document, copy, and paste, and then go to word count. This article is 1,518 words. Now, I don't need to keep it because I'm not going to be doing anything with it other than checking it out. But what I am going to do is go back to my original research, and 1,518 words for the first, and I'm going to do that 10 times. But what I'm going to do, you can actually put a reference as to what the article is if you want to. I generally don't have to because I already know that number one means it's number one on Google. Okay, so 1,518 words for the first article, and you're going to do this 10 times for each one of those 10 top ranking articles. This is competitor research for, like, we are doing competitor research for length. Now, once you get the word count, once you get this number for the first top 10, then you add all the numbers together and divide by 10 to get the average. And if that average is above 2,000 words, then that is the article length that it needs to be. If the article length is less than 2,000 words, then you're writing 2,000 words. Minimum article length is 2,000 words. Okay, so that is how you do steps 1 through 3.